Hello friends, in this lesson we are going to cover graphing inequalities. In the other word, we are going to show how to represent inequalities on a number line. So let's start with examples. First example, it says x is less than 2. What should we do to solve this question? First step, we need to graph a number line. There are number line here and I will show the numbers on this number line. 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. But what is the next step? Look here, it says x is less than 2. We need to find this number, which means 2 on the number line, and next step, there are a circle above this number. I graph a circle above this number, but notice that this circle is not a filled circle. It must be open circle because 2 is not the answer of this inequality. It says x is less than 2, not x is equal to. That is why we need to graph an open circle. But what is the next step? Should we shade the line in the right side or left side? Should we go to the negative infinity or towards positive infinities? To find the answer of this, we need to come back one more time to this inequality. It says x is less than 2, which means any number that is less than 2, like 1, like 0, like -1. That is why we need to shade the line towards negative infinity. We need to shade it to the left side. And this is the answer of this inequality. Next example. It says x is greater than -1. Exactly like last question, at first we need to graph a number line and show numbers on these number lines. 1, 2, -1, -2. Next step, find this number, -1. Right, this is -1 and there are a circle above this -1. I graph a circle above this number. Again, be careful. This circle is open circle because -1 is not the solution of this inequality. Next step, should we go to the right side or left side? Should we go towards positive infinity or negative infinity? It says x is greater than -1, which means any number that is greater than or more than -1. Like 0, 0 is more than -1, 1 is more than -1, 100 is more than -1. That is why we shade it towards positive infinity. And this is the solution of this inequality. And next example, it says x is less than or equal to 4. Be careful of this equal. Again, at first we need to graph a number line and show the number on this number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2. Next step, find this number 4. Right, this is 4. And graph a circle above this number. But in this case, the circle must be closed circle. We need to shade this circle. Why? Because it says x is less than or equal 4. That is why 4 is the answer of x. 4 is a part of the solution, and we need to shade this circle. Next step, should we go to the right side or left side? Look here, it says x is less than or equals 4, which means any number that is less than, any number less than 4, like 3, like 2, like -2. That is why I shade the line towards negative infinity, and this is the answer, this inequality. And last example, it says x is greater than or equal to -2. At first, let's get off a number line and show numbers 0, 1, 2, -1, -2. Find this number, -2, and graph a circle above this number, but this circle is an open circle or it is a field circle. Absolutely, it is a field circle because it says x is greater than or equal -2. That is why we need to shade this circle. And next step, should we go to the right side or should we go towards negative infinity? It says x is greater than or equal -2, which means any number that is greater than -2, number greater than -2, like -1, like 0, like 100, like 1 million. That is why we need to shade it towards positive infinity. And this is the answer of this inequality. But we need to notice that two important notes. The first one, field circle. What does it mean? Field circle. Field circle says number is included. Number is included the solution. How about the next note? Open circle. What does it mean? I'm waiting for your answer. What does open circle mean? I told you field circle, which means number is included to the solution. But how about open circle? Let me know the answer. Have fun.